Hello friends, this is Captain Fox with the Fishing Hooky, and we're going to give you another adventure today. Put some knowledge down. You know we like it. You know how we do. Trying to keep it real, for sure. All right, hang in there with us. Peace. Hi friends, special treat today. We're visiting my next door neighbor, my good buddy of Swayback Branch Family Farms. He raised famous cows and bulls that are all naturally fed, all natural fed meat. And we're going to look at a small tour of some of his pastures, just a few of his pastures, to show us how they are naturally being grown. Have fun. Stay tuned.
I don't know if you remember seeing the I guess the guy coming back here on the big skid steer with the mulching blade on, but he mulched all this down last year. Just the weeds and the sweet gum that took over. I gotta get it. Come back here and bush hog and cut it down so cool season grass to grow.
Putting cows back here too.
Yeah, we'll put the cows back here and let them eat everything they'll eat. Whatever they don't eat, I'll come by and cut it. Right now, all this is free food. They'll come back here and nibble on all this.
Look at the turkey.
Yep. Four of them.
Wild turkey.
Yep. I've been seeing,
walking fast too.
Yeah, I've been seeing 3 on that side of the pasture.
That's 3 then, one.
Oh, 4.
4.
Yep.
I knew I saw 3. Yeah. I'm taking my camera picking them up. They were booking out the way.
All this was so thick last year, it was thick just like that. And he came through and mulched it down so I could drive through it. Grass growing out here, so cows can come out here and get in the shade.
Talk to me. I don't want to talk to you, boy. All right, here come
oh, she ain't got one.
Henrietta.
Yeah.
Did you pick her up yesterday?
Nah, I picked up the big one that's at the hay bale eating.
Oh yeah. They all got a point on the top of their head.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's Dolly, because she has a little fancy cow lick. What they call the thing that's over a girl's head? A bang or something.
A bang, yeah.
Yeah, she got a little fancy bang.
So how many we got pregnant out here? Just those 2 from you bought in yesterday?
4. I got 4 back here that I know are pregnant. 2 black ones and the 2 I bought yesterday. And then Big Boy's supposed to be getting the rest of them pregnant for me.
Uh-oh. He got his work cut out for him.
Yeah, she pregnant. You can see how big her belly is.
Yeah.
She'll be giving babies in the next month, September sometime. And this big man right there.
The guy right there.
Yeah,
that's the bull.
Yeah, that's the beef maker.
I call you Mighty Mo. Is that the one I had to chase out the yard that day?
Nah, I just got him. I'm renting him. I gotta take him back. The same place he went yesterday. I gotta take him back.
particular grass in this pasture costs about $250 per 50-pound bag of seeds. Make those cows grow nice and fat and healthy. A lot of money and time go into raising good beef. So check out Swayback Branch Family Farm. Check the link below of this video. Get in contact with them. Buy a nice cow. Check them out. See what other animals they may have for sale. This is a hot day selecting cows out of the herd for sale.